Be ready for our dictation number 3rd, part 4. Dictation is exam level dictation, that is start after 30 seconds. Be ready for the dictation. 20 seconds left.
Hello.
This dictation contains more fluctuation at the speed of 90, but actual speed is 80. Be ready and start. He has to bear himself at all times and observe himself in a manner befitting as an officer of the court. Stop. He is a privileged member of the community and a gentleman. Stop. He has to maintain his honesty and sail with the oar of hard work, then his boat is bound to reach to the bank. Stop. He has to be honest, courageous, eloquent, industrious, witty and judgmental. Stop. Para. Soul searching is absolutely necessary and the blame game and maligning must stop. Forthwith stop. Confidence and reverence and positive thinking is the only way. Stop. It is pious hope that the Bar Council would improve upon the function of its disciplinary committees so as to make the system more accountable, publish performance audit on the disciplinary side of various bar councils. Stop. Para. The same should be made public. Stop. The Bar Council of India, under its supervisory control, can implement good ideas as always done by it and would not lag behind in cleaning process so badly required. Stop. It is to make the profession more noble and it is absolutely necessary to remove the black ships from the profession to preserve the rich idols of bar and on which it struggled for the values of freedom. Stop. It is basically not for the court to control the bar. Stop. It is the statutory duty of bar to make it more noble and also to protect the judges and the legal system, not to destroy the bar itself by inaction and the system which is important pillar of democracy. Stop. Para. In Kamini Jaiswal versus Union of India and another within bracket 2018 SCC 156, it was observed, para. In Charan Lal Sahu versus Union of India, this court has observed that in a petition filed under Article 32 in the form of PIL, attempt of mudslinging against the Advocates Supreme Court and also against the other constitutional institutions indulged in by an advocate in a careless manner, meaningless and as contradictory pleadings, clumsy allegations, contempt was ordered to be drawn. Stop. The registry was directed not to entertain any PIL petition of the petitioner in future. Stop. Para. In R.K. Anand versus Delhi High Court, this court observed that there could be ways in which conduct and action of malefactor was professional misconduct. Stop. The purity of the court proceedings has to be maintained. Stop. The court does not only have the right but also an obligation to protect itself and can bar the malefactor from appearing before the court for an appropriate period of time. Stop. There is a duty cast upon an advocate to protect the dignity of this court, not to scandalize the very institution as observed in the said decision. Stop.